Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on HLBZ because it is one of the days leading gappers, being up over 125% as we're recording this video. So to get straight into it, we can see on the 4-hour chart we are currently sitting at near a resistance, which is the $1.50 mark, as that is the first deviation on the 4-hour. We can see that earlier in the day around 10:30 we came into this level. That was the original resistance. We came back, tried this level again, retested it, and was able to hold. So what this tells us is we're most likely going to head towards that next deviation, and in this case that is around the 335. So obviously going up, we're going to have some other resistances, being the $2, the $2.50, some levels that we can be looking at, and even the $3. But if momentum stays strong and it pushes up and continues up, we do have a next kind of key target of 335. But closer resistances, which may need to be used just because of how far that next deviation is, would be 275 or kind of 265, as that is the half deviation on the 4-hour, and then $2 just for the psychological resistance, $2.50 psychological resistance, and $3 psychological resistance. However, if we keep breaking through and past this $3.35, then we have our next resistance at around $3.80, $6.10, and $8.40, which will also line up with our daily levels at $8, $12.75, and $17.50. So to the upside, these are all our key targets, and considering how far these deviations are, especially on the 4-hour, we can look to even use these half deviations just because they can give us some extra levels if the stock did continue up. And so yeah, we can see until we get to around 335 there isn't too much resistance, and then once we come into this 335, then there's a lot of resistance that's going higher. So if we can break to this level, then there's a lot of possible shorts. However, if we can't break up to this 335, we're going to be kind of more long bias on the stock, and by that I just mean we're not really looking to short. Doesn't mean it will continue up, but until we hit a minimum of really 335, we're not looking to short this stock just because it will most likely continue up. So those are going to be our key levels. I mean, going downwards there isn't really too much key support. We can kind of look at the gap fill, which will be around 75 cents, but really apart from that, you got the $1 psychological resistance going back into the 150 support. But really those are the only levels we can see on HLBZ. So I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.
And maybe I'm crazy.